In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to send a transaction to a predefined group of recipients for signing. When a transaction is sent to the predefined group, any member of the group can access and e-sign the document on behalf of the group. Let's take a closer look at how group signing works in OneSpan Sign. In this example, we'll send a document to a new employee and our human resources team. As an administrator, you'll first need to add users to your organization's OneSpan Sign account. Go to the Admin panel and select Users. To add a user, click plus Add and enter the details of the user, such as first name, last name, and email address. Click Save. An email will be sent to the newly added user asking them to activate their account. Next, you can create a signing group with the users in your account. From the Admin panel, select Groups. Click New Group and enter a name for the group. You have the option to enter a group email address or a group member's email address. Select Send emails to the members of this group instead of the specified group email, so each member of the group receives an email notification to sign the transaction. Click Save. To add group members, click the group and enter the member's email address in the field and click the envelope icon. Now it's time to send the transaction out for signing. Go to the dashboard, select New Transaction, and enter a name for the transaction. Click the Create button to proceed. Now it's time to add a document to the transaction. Click the Add button to upload a document from your files. Next, let's add the recipients to the transaction. Zane will be the new employee. Now we'll add the Human Resources group as a recipient. Click Add Recipient. Click Group and select the Human Resources group. All of the members of the Human Resources group will receive a notification to sign the transaction. Click Next to prepare the document for signature. Let's add signature fields to the document. The transaction is ready to be sent. Click Send to Sign to route the document for signing. Zane will sign the document. Now it's time for a member of the Human Resources group to sign the document. Frank will sign on behalf of the Human Resources team. Visit our support center for more video tutorials about OneSpan Sign.